Hi. Hi everyone. All right. Hi Shridhar, Shubhana. Hi Basist, Nazir, Surbhi, Simu. Hi. Hi Richu, sorry. I thought it's Richa. Okay, let me say hi's first. Varsha, hi. Okay, I'm good. I'm very good. Thank you so much. Hi, Simu. Ruchi Kapoor. Hi, Divya. Dhanjal. Yogesh. Yes. All right. Dhanjal is there. Hello. Hi. Pranju. Sushma. Hi. Hi, Harry. Sona. Hi. So very nice. Lovely to see everybody here. All right. We'll wait for some more to join us. Hi Dua, Mamta, Manmeet, Preeti, Idri, Simu. Yes, I will tell you, Simu, don't worry. We will focus on eyes today. Hi O_Dosti. Hi. Hi Usam, Poonam. Hi Shruti. Thank you for the lovely hearts. I'm very good. I'm very good and very excited to do this live today and teach you a few proven and easy hacks. Yes? Hi Anju, thank you so much. I believe we all are gorgeous in our own sweet way. Yes? Hi Sakshi. Hi SH. Hi May the Truth. Hi Siren. Karuna, how are you? I'm good, thank you. I want to know about my double chin. Okay, so today the session is all about the eye area. Okay, and that's what the session is about. So we will focus today, yes, Chanchal, on dark circles and only focus on the eye. Now, I want to tell all of you is, if you can see very clearly, I have a pimple here. Okay, so I want to tell everybody that having a pimple is one of the most normal things that can be there. Okay, don't stress about it, because अगर आपका पिंपल है और आप स्ट्रेस करोगे आपको ज़्यादा होने के chances हैं, because the cortisol level increases. So make sure it's okay, doesn't matter. Pimples are part of life. हो गया, ठीक भी हो जाएगा. So don't worry is what I want to tell all of you. All right, so let's start. Now today, I have brought about 5 very simple, very easy, proven techniques which are going to really help you and make a huge difference to your eye area. Okay, and these are proven. Why? Because we have tried it on clients and they've shown results. So these are very, very good. Also today, I would love all of you, if you can, get oh, thank you so much, Basis. Thank you. If you can get a paper and a pen, like I always have my copy, and I've written down a few things so that I don't forget. So I want all of you to get your paper and pen and make notes. If you can, it'll be wonderful so that you don't forget anything, or you can come back to this live. We will save the live. Okay, that's the best way to benefit from this live. Also, I'm going to teach you a few massages and exercises for the eye area. Okay, I look like Karishma Kapoor. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I love her. She's stunning. Okay, so I will teach you a few massages and exercises for the eye area, and you are definitely going to benefit a lot from this session. Okay, so please make notes of this. Now, first of all, I want to tell all of you कि 2 habits हैं. अच्छा, मैं I think हिंदी में बात करती हूँ, because जब भी मैं लाइव करती हूँ, लाइव करने के बाद मुझे कमेंट्स आते हैं कि मैम हमें समझ नहीं आया. Okay, so tell me, should I speak in हिंदी और इंग्लिश, या मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ? मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल हूँ, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ. I have no problem. You ignored my message. I'm so sorry, Khan Sana. I don't want to ignore anybody here. How are you? Please speak in English. Okay. How many of you want English? How many of you want Hindi? How many of you want English? Let me see. Hindi, 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 Hindi. Hindi is ruling right now. Hindi is good. Okay, so let it be Hindi then. Okay. कुछ words obviously मैं English में बोलूँगी. And let's do Hindi. Okay. तो आज मैं आपको 2 habits के बारे में बता रही हूँ. ये habits आप करते हैं, मोस्टली सारे करते हैं, एंड ये हैबिट्स आपको नहीं करनी है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द आई. ओके, सो टुडेज फोकस इज ऑल अबाउट द आई एरिया एंड नथिंग एल्स. ओनली ऑफ द आई. ना दो चीजें जो आपको नहीं करनी है. पहली चीज आपको नहीं करनी है, यू विल नेवर रब योर आईज. ओके, मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट इन योर कॉपी. आप रब क्यों नहीं करोगे आईज? जब आप रब करते हो आईज तो काफी चीजें होती हैं. आई विल नॉट डिस्कस इन डिटेल, पर मैं थोड़ा सा आपको समझा देती हूँ. व्हेन यू रब योर आईज, फर्स्ट थिंग इज which is very bad is that rubbing of eyes can cause dark circles. Okay, I'll tell you why. Because जब आप rub करते हो, it can break your blood vessels, which leads to darkening of the skin. Okay, so dark circles हो जाते हैं rubbing से. Second, when you rub your eyes, it irritates the delicate skin around the eye. हमारी आई स्किन बहुत डेलिकेट होती है, ठीक है, एंड जब हम रब करते हैं वो इरिटेट होती है, विच कैन लीड टू इरिटेशन, स्वेलिंग, रेडनेस. तो हमें वो नहीं करना. थर्ड थिंग इज एवरीबडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हॉलो आईज. मैम हॉलो हो रही हैं, तो हमें नहीं चाहिए कि अगर हम रब करेंगे तो हमारा कोलेजन ब्रेकडाउन हो, बिकॉज रब करने से कोलेजन ब्रेकडाउन होता है, विच कैन लीड टू प्रीमेच्योर लाइन्स एंड रिंकल्स. ठीक है, सो डार्क सर्कल्स होते हैं आपकी. इनफैक्ट इट कैन ऑल्सो डैमेज योर कॉर्निया. रबिंग विल डैमेज योर कॉर्निया, सो डोंट डू इट. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग इज, आई टेल एवरीवन, जिसने भी अपना आई एरिया इंप्रूव करना है, प्लीज स्लीप ऑन टाइम. ओके, अगर आप रात को टाइम से सोगे, मे बी यू कैन स्लीप बाय 10 or 11 and get up by around 7. Okay, so usually we recommend around 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Okay, that's what we recommend everyone, 7 to 9 hours. And sleep why is important? Because sleep also affects your eye area. ठीक है, जब आप नहीं सोते हो, sleep deprivation causes जो आपके blood vessels हैं उनकी blood circulation रोक देता है. Okay, and it causes pooling. It's called blood pooling, जो आपकी आईज के नीचे हो जाती है, एंड उससे आपकी जो आई है वो आपकी डार्क दिखना शुरू हो जाती है. सो वी डोंट वांट द ब्लड सर्कुलेशन टू स्टॉप. ओके, सो स्लीप. सेकेंड चीज है, जब आप नहीं सोते हो तो देयर इज वाटर रिटेंशन अंडर योर आईज. ठीक है, वाटर रिटेंशन बहुत कॉमन है, जिससे आपकी आईज पफी लगती हैं, एंड वी डोंट वांट पफी आईज इन द मॉर्निंग, सो स्लीप. Okay, now we will start with the most important part which you all are waiting for, and that is your exercises and massages. ठीक है, I want all of you to get your oils. मैं oil कह रही हूँ, मैं moisturizer नहीं कह रही. Though I do tell you कि आप face के लिए you use the moisturizer, but eye के लिए, for the eye I would say use the oil only. ठीक है, today I'm going to use a sea buckthorn oil. Okay, this is what I'm using today, and आप oils ले आओ फटाफट से, and then we will start the massages and exercises, and yes, and I'll take the questions towards the end. Okay, which oil is best? Oil depends on skin type, and मेरा जो इससे पहले live session था उसमें I did the entire live session on oils, तो you can go back to it. ठीक है, उसमें मैंने बहुत आपको information दी है oils के बारे में, so I hope you benefit from that. Okay, all right. And before starting the massages and exercises, I have to tell you that we also have a webinar on the 1st of September, okay, which is Sunday at 10 a.m. जैसे आज हम सिर्फ आइस कर रहे हैं, वहाँ webinar में we are going to do a full face workout. Okay, so if you want to do a full face workout, you can join the webinar on the 1st of September, and yes, you can do that. We will share the link here with you. Okay. All right, let's start. So taking the oil, let's start with the eye area, and for the eye, be very delicate. बहुत ही thin area है, delicate area है, so मैं थोड़ा सा rub कर रही हूँ because I want to warm the oil, and मैं oil को अपने eye के नीचे यहाँ पे लगा रही हूँ. So just apply it like that. Do not do this. Don't rub it. Okay, don't rub it. Just like हल्के से, just apply it around the eye area. Mohan, Dr. Mohan, today we are focusing on the eye. Okay, only on the eye. अगर आपको smile lines करना है, you can join the webinar on the 1st of September. वहाँ हम पूरे face की workout करेंगे. Okay, you can join that. All right. Now, first for the eye area, we have to increase the blood flow. Blood circulation बहुत important है for the eye area. So for blood circulation, you will take your index and your middle finger. You will keep it here, and you will tap like this all around the eye to increase the blood circulation. I'm not going very close to the eye because Insta पे all types of people are there. Classes में, you know, I tell कि यहाँ कर लो, but do a bigger round, do around the eye area like this. Okay, just focus like that. This is very good for puffy eyes. So आप 2 fingers लेके just keep rotating it in this manner around the eye. I've made a bigger circle, and just do that, and do it for about 10 times, 15 times like that. मैम आप मॉर्निंग के अलावा और कोई टाइमिंग नहीं रखते हैं? You know, Naseem, I will take your questions towards the end, okay? So don't worry. Okay, so just tap like this. So whenever we get up in the morning, all of us have puffy eyes. तो आप ऐसे टैप करोगे ताकि आपकी जो ब्लड सर्कुलेशन है वो मूव करेगी और आपकी जो पफिनेस है वो रिड्यूस होगी, लाइक दैट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल सजेस्ट ईच वन ऑफ यू टू डू योर टैपिंग फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग. ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाट यू विल डू. आफ्टर डूइंग दैट यू विल टेक योर बेटर है कि अपनी ये वाली फिंगर ले लो, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक योर इंडेक्स फिंगर. ओके, सो टेक योर इंडेक्स फिंगर, प्लेस इट हियर. Okay, gently, what I would suggest is that keep it, you know, in the inner corners of the eye, and then very, very gently, we will also increase circulation by moving like this. Okay, so just increase the circulation by moving in this way. We'll do 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, after doing that we will do anti-clockwise. Now when we are doing anti-clockwise, I don't want you to do this. Don't wrinkle. बड़े आराम से just increase the blood flow. If you want to do it fast, you can do it fast, but it's one of the best ways to increase the blood around the eye. So just do it for a couple of reps. I'm going a little fast. You can also go slow. So like that. Okay, and then just go out a couple of times like that. Just relax, and my hands are very delicate. ठीक है, बहुत delicate हैं. I hope you're not applying too much pressure, and just do that. Then take your 2 fingers and massage under the eye like that. ये मैं lift कर रही हूँ अपने eye area को. Okay, I'm just lifting my eye area. So I'm not doing this one. I'm doing thoda sa upper part of the cheek. Okay, just lift up your eye area. Lift it up, and in the end we have collected all that needs to be drained. And now take your hand here, and bade aaram se you are going to drain it from the sides of the neck. Okay, so you are going to drain it like this from the sides, and we have to do it for about 5 times. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then just do a couple of rounds around the neck. So you can apply the oil around the neck and just do a couple of rounds here. And so basically we are just activating certain lymph nodes around the neck, so that agar koi puffiness hai, that can be drained out really well. And if you feel, you can also move your neck. Okay, give a nice stretch to the neck to warm up like that. Okay, so first we have increase the blood flow. कोई भी eye की problem है, उसके लिए सबसे पहले we have to increase the blood flow, and then we move on to other exercises. Okay, now the second thing is, after the blood flow, I would suggest कि मेरा तो oil लगा है, you can apply some oil under the eye. Okay, and we are not going to necklines. We are only focusing on the eye today, because according to the poll, a lot of people said कि आप eye cover करो. Okay, now you place your oil directly under the eyes. Okay, and you make a V. We are going to do a V eye massage, and place your fingers, थोड़ा आप यहाँ रखो अपने fingers को, and then wait. Yeah. Okay, and then you just move it upwards under your eye like that. Okay, be very, very delicate. Eye bags जो मैंने puffiness वाला किया है, that's very good for eye bags, and we are going to do some more techniques for eye bags. Okay, so just be very delicate, बहुत आराम से. We are massaging under the eye. Okay, like that. And everything about the eye has to be delicate. Okay, I'm repeating again and again. I'm sorry I'm repeating it, but you have to be very careful for the eye. अगर आपका थोड़ा सा harsh हाथ हो गया या अगर आपने जोर की कर दिया तो you can unknowingly create lines. तो आपने बहुत आराम से करना है, because the area under the eye is 10 times thinner than the rest of the skin. Even the neck is very thin. So be as delicate as possible and do that, and then you keep your hands here and you can go up. When you go up तो आप pressure apply कर सकते हो, because this is a bone. Okay, this is a bone. So here you can apply, and in fact आप pressure apply करो, because it just feels so good. आपका जितना भी दिन का थकावट है and stress है, all of that comes out. I personally love doing this. So this is something that you can do a couple of times. तो यहाँ पे आप pressure कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे don't apply pressure. All right. Now after doing the massage, this is a massage. ठीक है, ये हमने massage की है. Now we'll move on to the exercises. Okay. Now it's very important कि जो हमारे eye है, eye muscles, ठीक है, जिससे हमारी problems होती हैं, the eye muscles have to be very strong. Because if the muscles are not strong, whatever you may do, आप दुनिया भर की eye creams लगा लो, आप जो मर्जी कर लो, if your eye muscles are not strong, you will not get good results. So the muscles have to be strengthened with exercise. Okay, and in my classes also I keep stressing, I tell people exercise करो, because mostly लोग massage करते हैं, exercise नहीं करते हैं, but exercise is what strengthens your muscles. तो हमने exercise करना है. Now keep your hands here on the forehead like that. Okay, just press it like that, and now I want you to open your eyes. Dark circles, Romani, this is for dark circles. This massage is for dark circles. So you must do this for about, you can do maybe do around 30 times every day once with your oil. Okay, now keep your hand here, and I want you to open your eyes wide. Okay, open them wide like this. I hope you can see my eyes wide, right? And squint. Okay, then eyes wide. We'll do 10 times. This is very good for lines and wrinkles. Okay, so 1, 2, I'm squinting and releasing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Usually हम इसके साथ O भी add करते हैं. Okay, but I don't know आप if you can manage both, so that's why I'm making it a little simpler for you. Okay, so कुछ नहीं करना, just place your hands here. Now why does it help with lines and wrinkles? Because you are contracting your eye muscles and you are relaxing them. आप open कर रहे हो, close कर रहे हो. This is an eye exercise which is very good for strengthening of the eye. So very good for bright eyes, big eyes, dark circles, puffy eyes, lines. Very good for all of that. So like that. Another 5, let's do. Squint, release, squint, release, squint, release. You can even go slow. 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है, अगर आपको ज़्यादा करना है, what you can do this for about 15 counts and then do another set. तो आप 15 के 2 sets इसके कर लो. Now the another exercise is that you will place your hands and you will lift your eyebrow, because we also suffer from droopy eyes. Okay, so you will lift your eyebrows. For lifted eyebrows, droopy, this part, droopy eyes, everything. So ये आपका droopiness control करेगा, and just put it here on this area. Okay, once you put it like this, and then you will look down and you will blink your eye. Okay, like this. अपनी eyes को नीचे and just blink your eye. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, और जब आपने छोड़ना है तो आपने कैसे छोड़ना है? आपने ऐसे छोड़ना है ऊपर की तरफ, so that you also help in lifting your eyes and your eyebrows. Okay, so lift it like this. Perfect. Let's do another set. Keep it here, and again eyes look down and just keep blinking your eye. Okay, let's blink. Let's start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and now when you have to lift it all the way up. You can also lift it like this. Okay, for the forehead lifting, you know, कई बारी हमारे 11 lines होती हैं, तो हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं अपने 11 lines पे. Or it's just nice to, you know, when you're massaging, it's nice to lift your forehead. तो आप ऐसे करके, you can just do a couple of strokes. Very good for lines, wrinkles, pigmentation. So, like that. Okay, perfect. Now we'll do one eye exercise, one last eye exercise. I hope you all are understanding. Droopy eyelids, yes, because अगर आपके eyelids droop करते हैं, so we are lifting it. Okay, so this is going to help with droopy eyelids. This one. Perfect. Alright, so we covered the massage for the dark circles. We covered this for droopy eyes. हमने ये वाली की है squint and release for lines and wrinkles. आप सारी exercises you can do 15 into 2 sets, or you can do 20 into 2 sets. Okay, all of that you can do any time of the day. आप कार में करो, you know, when you're walking you can do it, like this exercise or this exercise. You know, if you're sitting in the park at a bench, you can do it then. So कहीं पे भी कर सकते हो. Alright, now for the eye area we'll do one last exercise. Now for that what I want is, पहले आप थोड़ा सा अपना forehead को relax कर लो. Okay, keep your hands here and relax your forehead, because unknowingly if we've created lines, it's always better to relax it. And a couple of strokes, relax, relax. Perfect. So we have relaxed it like this. Now take your hands and pinch it up, relax your eyebrows. This also will give you lifted eyebrows. Okay, so अगर आपकी 11 lines हैं, you can start from here and lift. Yeah, so just pick it up and lift. So you can start from here and lift, or you can even wriggle it up to release the tension. Both are good. So ये आपके droopy eyebrows, droopy eyes, droopy skin, increasing the collagen, all of that, it really helps you. All right, perfect. Now I'll just do one more exercise for hollow eyes. Okay, let's do something for hollow eyes. Perfect. Hollow eyes तो मैं भूल गई थी. Thank you for reminding me. So for hollow eyes, I want कि आप अपने hands को यहाँ रखो. ठीक है, like this. You can keep it on this side, and I want you to look up. Okay, look up and squint. So we are going to look up and squint your eye. Okay, normally I like to do the O. If you can, then do the O. If you cannot do it, it's sounding a little tough for you, just do the normal lift. So even you can place your hands here or that and just look up and squint. I like to do this and squint. Okay, like that. Just keep it squinted. As just keep it squinted, don't move. And आपकी blink करेंगी, which is fine, and you come back. Okay, the squint is very very good for hollow eyes, because जो आपकी ये वाली skin है उसको आप उठा रहे हो. Okay, you're lifting it, you're adding collagen in the skin. So this is very good. We'll repeat it once more. Keep it here, and you have to look up, eyes look up, and keep it squinted for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back. Now squint ke time mein most of you make lines here. Okay, again you can relax it. Like I said, aap isko thoda sa relax karo. I have the oil, so whenever you massage anything, make sure that you're using the oil and massaging just to relax, just to release the tension. So aap aise karke, you can also do the hook and increase the blood flow. So there's lots you can do. Okay, so that was a quick demo for your dark circles, your hollow eyes, your lines and wrinkles, your puffiness of the eye. So that way, and if you are consistent with it, then you will see very very good results. Okay, we have seen with clients unki lines chali gayi hain. So with eye massages, with you know, we also suggest eye creams, because they still manage to do like a 25-30% job. So that way. Now I'll take a few questions and then we will sign off. Alright, no oil questions please, because I've already done a live on oil, so I would like to take other questions. So कोई भी eye related questions हैं, so you can ask me. And now if you are interested in a full face workout, like cheek lifting, or somebody asked about double chin, okay, or if you asked about the jawline, then you can join the webinar on the 1st of September, where we'll be doing a full face workout for even skin issues like melasma, pigmentation, and you people have acne. A lot of clients have acne, so we will tell you all about it. All right, yes. Sakshi, exercise for lines over neck. I said you can join the webinar on the 1st of September, where we will be doing the full face workout for 30 minutes. Okay, you can join that. And guys, we also have regular classes. We have classes every month. Okay, so if you want to join live classes and you want me to help you out in the live classes, so those are 45 minutes live classes. Okay, 45 minutes mein we do the massages. 4 to 5 massages. We do around 6 to 8 exercises. We do the gua sha, collagen roller, ice roller, all of that. And we also do lots of breathing. Okay, visualization, breathing, all of that. So you can attend the live classes as well. Okay, in how many days? I didn't understand. Can we use castor oil? No, you cannot use castor oil. Ravel_Maya, you can use your almond, your kumkumadi, your rosehip, your sea buckthorn, your all of those oils, but I would not suggest castor, because castor is again very thick, so it can clog your pores, so it's something we don't recommend. Okay, all right, any questions, any last minute questions, let me know. Otherwise I'm going to see you on the 1st of September in the webinar. And there I'll also be answering questions towards the end. Okay, Harpreet, under eye loose skin. Harpreet, under eye loose skin, something like this. You can tighten it up and do your squinting. Okay, for under eye loose skin, you can hold it up and look down. जो हमने किया है वो आपकी hollowness under eye loose skin के लिए है. So just do that. And I've seen that a lot of times, sometimes you may not see very good results in 2 weeks or something, okay? But कई बार 1 month के बाद, when you add the gua sha. So guys, I have to also tell you this, that जो gua sha है, like this is something that I really like, the gua sha. I'm really thinking of doing a live gua sha ke liye, only gua sha, because this is beautiful for the eye area. When you combine the massages and the exercises with the gua sha, इसको chill करना पड़ता है. So you just take it, wash it with water, इसको आप ठंडा करो, and then use it ठंडा ठंडा over your eyes, and you do your gua sha massages. Very, very good. So we do all of that in the classes. You must join the classes. Okay. My mom has dark circles. D Sunshine, tell her to do the massages I taught you today. Tell her to see the live. How to brighten my skin. Kajal, I'll tell you something, that जो face brightening है, okay, everybody wants to brighten the skin, okay. अगर आपको अपनी skin को bright करना है, I will promise you, after 1 week of face yoga, your skin will start looking bright. Okay, because all those massages and exercises really brighten your skin. ठीक है, हम सिर्फ सजेस्ट करते हैं आप स्किन केयर यूज करो और आप फेस योगा करो और आप कुछ भी मत करो. डोंट डू एनीथिंग एट ऑल. ओके, जस्ट स्किन केयर एंड फेस योगा and your face will glow and shine like anything. You will always and always look younger. Okay, so you don't have to do so much. Just kajal, do face yoga, and you will have the brightest looking face that you dream of, the glass skin that you see. Okay, because with lots of clients, we've seen, in fact, एक हमारा client है, and she's been with us for 1 year, and she looks so pretty without makeup. And abhi bhi, if you see, I haven't done any makeup. Okay, I have just done a little bit of my eyebrows, and मैंने mascara लगाया है. I've just put a little bit of blusher and a lipper, and that's it. And I've done oil massages before coming for the live, and I did a couple of exercises. That's it. So I don't recommend makeup every day. Because मैं खुद ही नहीं करती हूँ, तो this is something I don't suggest. Because जब आप makeup करते हो, it again clogs your pores. So minimal makeup, okay? Maybe, you know, like once a week, once in 2 weeks, twice a week is good enough. But let your skin breathe. Like right now, my skin is breathing because इसमें oil massage है और मैंने हल्का सा blush वगैरह लगाया है. So don't clog it up with foundation. Because if you clog it up with foundation, you will never have a good skin. Makeup will never give you good skin. Karo, you can do it sometimes, but not so much. So be makeup free as much as possible. Let your skin breathe, and you will always have a nice skin. Okay? So dependence kam kar do makeup pe. All right. Okay, girls. And boys and all of you, thank you so much for coming for the live, and I will do this more often, and looking forward to see you in the webinar and my live classes on the 1st of September. So yes, looking for a lot of you with face transformations with me in my classes. Can't wait to see you. All right, bye. See you. Bye.